So welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to add those lights to your image. So I'll try to keep as simple as I can, and now let's go. So first click on the stickers and then type their circle, and I'm selecting this pink one, and now just adjust the size and erase the part which is falling on our object by clicking on the eraser button, and erase the part which is falling on our object. For more easy editing tutorials, subscribe to our channel and be a part of our YouTube family. Currently we have 884 subscribers, so let's see in how many days we can hit 1k subscribers. And after erasing, just click on the done button and scroll down and click on draw button. And now click on the layer button and create 3 empty layers. And now select this brush and set the size, and now select the color. So first we'll select this pink color and then draw a line, straight line. Try to draw as straight as you can, and then select the second layer and select the blue color or other color which you want to add, and then draw a straight line, and then select the third one and do the same. And now change the all layers blend mode to the overlay. Now select the layer and click on the 3 dots button and select transform, and increase the size until you are satisfied with it and adjust it. And let's erase the part which is falling on our face because it's not looking good, right? So erase the part and decrease the opacity and erase the part which is falling on our face. And after finishing with this, do the same with the other layers. And now let's add some highlight so that it looks real. Highlight the part where you think the light reflection will be falling.
Light work with the bass on the track, on my feet to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
And there we go, we are done with it. Now click on the done button and click on discreet, and now save it to the gallery, and that's it.